Good day, and this is my matching game. Match for letter A. Let's try. So we can pick a number from 1 to 5. Let's try number 2. Number 2 is wrong. So let's try another number. Number 3. 3 is wrong. Number 1. Wrong. Let's try number 4. So 5. Number 5 left. So match for letter A. Let's try number 3. Wrong. So mubak ta sa number 3 ay number letter E. So ang answer sa letter E is 5. Let's try match for letter A. So save ta sa number 3 kanina, atong i-try si number 2. Correct. Match for letter B. So we try na to number 4. So na-reset na sad, back na sad ta sa sinugdanan na match for letter A. So letter A is number 5 and A is number 3. Oh, 5. So ito A is number 2. Correct. So B is 1. Try na reset. Match for letter A is number 5 and match for letter A is number 2. Match for letter B, set sa 1 kanina, only 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So ito sa number 4. Wrong. So number 3 dito. So 5 A 4 number 2. Correct. B is 3 left. Correct. So kailangan masakto ito ni match for letter C. I think C is 4. Correct. Yes. Match for letter D. Yes. 1. Yes. So congratulations, you match all letters in order. Thank you, sir.